Wọ̀nyí ni iṣẹ́ tó bá ìràwọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan mu. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, this is the work that go along with each star. So firstly, you have to know the star that you belong to. Now let me begin to list it. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa kà á. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ìràwọ̀ iná. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀ pé ìràwọ̀ mẹ́ta ló wà nínú ìràwọ̀ iná. Ìràwọ̀ iná Aries, ìràwọ̀ iná Sagittarius àti ìràwọ̀ iná Leo. Wọ̀nyí ni àwọn iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìràwọ̀ iná, which is a fire star. That is the work that go along with fire star. Mechanical engineering, motoring, spare parts selling, electrical engineering, electrical component selling, selling of cooking food, security and soda, baking and frying, gold and jewelry selling, goldsmith, ironsmith, carpentry and furniture. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú iná àti iṣẹ́ tó le, òun ni iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ẹni tó bá lo ìràwọ̀ iná. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí ìràwọ̀ afẹ́fẹ́. Mẹ́ta náà ni ìràwọ̀ afẹ́fẹ́. That is air star. We have them in 3 categories. A ní Aquarius, a ní Libra, and then Gemini. So these are the work that go along with air star. Ìràwọ̀ afẹ́fẹ́, iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìràwọ̀ afẹ́fẹ́. Mobile phone selling, mobile phone accessory selling, mobile phone repairing, radio or TV presentation. That is, they can be a presenter. Singing, that is, they can be a musician. Instrumentalist, online teaching, cooking gas selling, that is for business. The filling station, transportation, travel agent, pilot, organizer, buying and selling of cars. Are you with me now? Buying and selling of cars. Then selling the cars spare parts. Ìyẹn fún gbogbo ìràwọ̀ afẹ́fẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí ìràwọ̀ omi, tá a mọ̀ sí water star. Everyone that is using the water star. This is the work that go along with the water star. Ìràwọ̀ omi, ẹ bá yẹn mẹ́ta náà ni ìràwọ̀ omi. Scorpio, Pisces àti Cancer. Iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìràwọ̀ omi. Fashion designer, provision selling, chemist, hairdresser, doctor, nurse. Are you with me now? Barbing salon, boutique, foodstuff, frozen food, beverages and pure water, factory or retail selling or wholesale, plumbing material selling or plumbing work, and navy. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe mọ̀ pé gbogbo iṣẹ́ omi ló lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìràwọ̀ omi. Every work that go along with water goes with water star, and every work that go along with fire go with a fire star. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí ìràwọ̀ erùpẹ̀. Mẹ́ta náà ni ìràwọ̀ erùpẹ̀, which is a sand star. They are also in 3 categories. We have Capricorn, we have Taurus, and we have Virgo. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Ìràwọ̀ erùpẹ̀ mẹ́ta náà ni wọ́n, iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìràwọ̀ erùpẹ̀. A ní estate agent, block industry, agricultural, entertainment, teaching, games and other sports, building contractor, bricklayer, land surveyor or land planning, borehole drilling. Ṣé rí àwọn iṣẹ́ tá a kà sílẹ̀ yìí, àwọn iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìràwọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe mọ̀ wípé béèyàn ò bá ti ṣe iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìràwọ̀ rẹ̀, nǹkan ò ní lọ déédéé fún un. Kódà tó o bá ti ń ṣe iṣẹ́ kan tẹ́lẹ̀, o ní láti padà mú iṣẹ́ tó lọ papọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìràwọ̀ rẹ̀, kó mú mọ́ iṣẹ́ yẹn kó lè jẹ́ kí ọ̀nà àbáyọ wà fún ọ. Wo, you have to do a work that go along with your star. When you do a work that go along with your star, that is going to boost your life. Even though if you have been doing some work before, take along one work that go along with your star. Those are the ones that can help your life to achieve your goals. A lot of people, they are doing the work that does not go along with their star, and they are not seeing a profit. I couldn't see a reason why you go and borrow money and put it on a business, and that business will collapse. It can collapse if you don't do a work that go along with your star. Here is my WhatsApp number for more information or for more guidance. 080 54 35 36 29. You can WhatsApp that number. A WhatsApp number yẹn tó bá fẹ́ àlàyé kíkún sí. Ṣòye yìí, àbò fẹ́ mọ orú ìràwọ̀ kan tó ń lò. Date of birth yẹn ló máa send sí wa. A ti sọ orú ìràwọ̀ tó ń lò fún. Ẹ follow wa lórí gbogbo social media handles wa. Àṣírí ìràwọ̀, mystery of star.